Okay, we are now at the Palanchowk Bhagbati restaurant for our lunch break, and we are going to start the beginning of our class. These are my students of forestry graduates in mountain environment and development tour. So we are going to stop here for half an hour, and in the beginning we saw a tree next to, please come close, next to the temple, which looked like a ficus tree. We did not know the species, so we downloaded the article from internet, and here it is ficus. Now all of you look here, look at ficus. Ficus, this thing here is actually not a fruit by definition. It is actually a combination of fruit, and each white spot there, you see there, right? Each white spot there, they are actually flowers. Flowers? Each of them are flowers, and each of the flower has a male stamen and carpel including that. Now the question is, this entire material is enclosed, okay, enclosed, and that is called a fig. It's quite sweet for birds and animals. Now, very interesting thing. From this fig, it tells a whole story. The story is that all of these figs are ripe and they are falling down, okay? What this is saying is that inside the fig, right, if you look from like one small, come close, you have to see it. Come close, you have to see the picture, okay? One flower to one another flower, the pollen is taken from one place to other place. Who does that? Minute wasp babies, larvae. So they eat and they go to one, they eat, they go there, and wasp baby there, and that way they fly. So wasp babies sort of inject their eggs and baby, like injection there, and it grows and it eats inside there, and it is fertilizing. So it's not self-fertilizing, but it's cross-fertilizing. Now, once that has been done, it becomes big, and once it is broken down, the birds get broken down, they spread it. Now, an interesting story is that in many parts of Nepal where there is agriculture going on, more and more people are beginning to use pesticides. And when pesticides are being used, the bees, the wasps, they get already, and when the bees and wasps no longer can lay good quality eggs, then these fruits will not be fertilized, so will not be dropped. Okay, and that way you will have not good fertilization of trees. Now, the fact that we see huge amount of such fruits falling down, the fertilizer means this ecosystem is relatively healthy. That means not too much waste. So, I mean, doctor हुँदैछ नि यस्तो नारी छ भने के बुझ्नु छ है पहिला मान्छेहरूले के छ नि ओ अना जनावरको भाषा चराको हामी पनि यही भाषा के एउटा कुरा कति लामो कहानी छ है लम्बे कहानी हो आज अब म देखाउँछु एउटा चिज देख्छु त्यसको पछाडि के भयो कसो भयो सब बुझ्नु तर्क्यो है ठिक भयो देन